Growing world population. Global wealth. Climate change. Peaking all periods. These are the main reasons to take action with projects for changing people's lifestyle. Climate-neutral buildings is a foundation dealing with it. Located in Groningen, the foundation has a purpose: to develop sustainable buildings and living spaces, minimizing carbon emissions. One of the newest projects is a study to transform this old office building into a live and sustainable housing complex. The building, commonly called the Black Box, was built in 1976, and the actual technical condition is poor, with inadequate insulation. When the building remains empty in 2014, the most obvious thing to happen is the demolition. But due to the climate impact, the objective is to reuse the building by adding new functions and giving it a new purpose again. Our team is proud to present the Green Village.
The Green Village is split up in 3 clear visual divisions. On the ground floor and the first level, a public area with public functions. In the high existing building, there are 100 dwellings located. Next to it, in the new high-rise building, the permaculture has been planned. Let's start with the existing high-rise building. As said before, living spaces are planned in here. In order to know what a potential inhabitants need or require, target groups were made to understand them better. The selected target groups are young people, with among them the students because of the high pressure on the market. Families, with the adults and the children because they bring life. Together with the elderly, a social community should be created. This was also one of the wishes of the client. On the top floor, the houses for young people are placed. After detailed studies about the selected target groups, the main requirements are over 28 square meters, 2 rooms, bedroom apart from living room, and a private bathroom. Here you see the dwelling type. It contains a bedroom on the north, which is big enough for a 2-person's bed. It has a spacious bathroom in the middle, and a living room with a kitchen on south for maximum daylight. Families are located in the middle floors. The wishes for these target group are over 100 square meters, 4 rooms and a relaxing space. In this dwelling type you find 3 bedrooms, all on north, the bathroom still in the middle, and again the huge living room on south. The relaxing space is shared in the permaculture building. From the second floor, the seniors are located. The wishes of this group are over 80 square meters, 3 rooms, healthcare, a relaxing space and stores close by. This last dwelling type has 2 bedrooms, a big working closet to put both washing machine and dryer on the ground, a spacious bathroom in the middle, and again the living room on south. The healthcare will be placed at the public zone. Another wish of the client was to make the dwellings energy neutral. Therefore an energy concept was made about the entire building during the winter and summer periods, looking for ways to save and generate energy. The dwellings are orientated from north to south. On the north side they have a closed character with small windows for natural ventilation. On the south they have larger windows to allow the natural light and warmth to enter. During the summer, a second glass skin covering the entire construction is creating a buffer space with a subtropical climate. It will allow the warmth to enter up to a temperature of 25 degrees. Then the sun blind comes into action, keeping the sun out to prevent overheating. The roof is shaped on 35 degrees to generate maximum energy. With over 3000 square meters of solar panels, more than enough energy will be generated for all the functions housed within the entire complex. The ventilation is on a natural basis. During the summer, cold air will enter the north side and will be pulled through the shared spaces to the south, where it will warm up and rises to the top. Through the solar chimney, the air will leave the building on a height of 60 meters. By using a Phoebe hex in the solar chimney, and a heat pump the heat will be stored so no warmth will be wasted. During the winter, the position of the sun is lower and the sunlight will come further into the dwellings. In this period, the ventilation works in reverse. Now the air enters the dwellings from the south side, because this is warmer. By using flaps, the air will let through the shared spaces north and then towards the chimney. The warmth stored by the heat pump in the summer will be used to keep the buffer zone on temperature. The same heat pump will provide the houses of warm water during the whole year, together with an electrical heater.
The next intervention is the new volume at the corner of the crossing. This will change the accent of the entire complex, making its appearance stronger. Now it stands there, welcoming you and allowing you to enter. The icon becomes now a point of reference. Within this new volume, the common gardens are placed, housing small plot-intensive farming, a variant of permaculture. Now there is the possibility to grow your own food, and this choice means that there is a space for social activities and meeting other people. Also, relaxing and reading a book will be one of the possibilities. On 6 floors, with a total of nearly 5,000 square meters and a distance of 7 meters between the floors, the appearance is transparent and green. And thanks to the glass facade around it, a subtropical indoor climate will be created.
In order to connect the building to its neighborhood, the public area is designed on a human scale. Here, several small buildings are created around a square with an interactive character, allowing people to go in, go up and come through. The shape of these buildings is in contrast with the high-rise building above, to give them a strong own character. By the height and size, they are related to the buildings in their surroundings. To the square, they have an own shape out of the shadow of the high-rise building above. At the other side, where the traffic commotion is stronger, they follow the high-rise building, giving a close, orderly and clear look. Together the complex is in symbiosis. The small buildings allow people to enter from all different directions, while the high-rise building keeps all connected to each other. Within these buildings, a supermarket, a healthcare clinic, a restaurant and the Dubo Center are planned. Parking has also been taken into account. 3 floors of parking are placed below the ground level, providing parking space for inhabitants of houses and the visitors of the functions.
The Green Village is offering something new, and it's not like any other place. In here, you live in the city, but next to the land. You live in the crowd, but next to the quietness. Don't choose, take both.